Ever seen this before? Flock of geese flying over in a straight line, and then they stopped and now they're just going in circles. Like they were literally flying in a line. I heard them coming all the way over, and then I kept hearing them, and now they're moving a little bit, but they're still doing just circles.